Anyone searching for a slim, upscale-looking gaming laptop has been having a pretty good year. There's the 14-inch Razer Blade, the Asus Zephyrus, and other high-end lightweight laptops with minimalist designs. And then there's the Acer Predator Helios 500. It's pretty much the exact opposite of all of those things. This is a huge 17-inch gaming laptop with a chromed horned logo on the back, all sorts of multicolored internal lighting, and the kind of big desktop footprint rarely seen these days. It's 8.3 pounds without the massive power brick and nearly 2 inches thick. Why all the extra mass? Because it takes a much different approach to laptop gaming than those slimmer guys. The Helios 500 skips the small, less powerful Max-Q versions of Nvidia graphics cards found in many new gaming laptops, instead including a full-size GeForce GTX 1070 GPU. It's also one of the first gaming laptops with Intel's new Core i9 processor. Gamers will appreciate the 144Hz screen and the Nvidia G-Sync compatibility, both of which help you get smoother on-screen gaming, but the 1920 by 1080 display is pretty bland otherwise. There's one more extra you get from going with a really big gaming laptop. The Helios 500 has just about every port you could ever possibly need.